Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski, your COM 102 instructor. What I have for you today is an example of a weekly screencast video. So each week, around about Sunday evening, maybe sometime Monday, I will record the weekly screencast video. I will push it out to all the students using the announcements tab, so you should be notified of that. Please take a look at the announcement as it goes out each week. It is important. I will discuss the assignments, discussion boards, whatever activities might be due that week, the readings, just to give you an overview of the weekly schedule. Also, about midweek, maybe about Wednesday or Thursday, I will produce what I call a lecture video. It will contain content from the chapter. It may augment your assignments or your discussion board activities, some information that I think is important to capture for, or I should say, from the textbook. Okay, so the book is critical in this course. And so taking a look at the first week schedule, the icebreaker discussion board is pretty much the obligatory activity that every online course begins with. It's an opportunity for you to meet your classmates. Please be creative, be friendly, be frank in your posts and your responses. Respond to the 3 people, I believe, is the minimum. Your completeness of an initial post about yourself and 3 responses will earn you the points. Also, at the end of the week, we do have a syllabus and Google Drive exercise. So I would like everyone, let's see if we can get to the module to take a look at this. This is really straightforward, all about using Google Drive on our course. It is listed as a requirement in the syllabus. I urge everyone to participate. Make sure you add the course folder to your Google Drive. This is not your option. We will use this throughout the course. It is required, much like your textbook. So if you locate the course folder through the module, let's see, we have here's the Google Drive instructions. Yes, the Google Drive instructions are here. You will get your course folder pulled up for you. I want to mention to everyone that this week, in the very beginning, I am teaching 2 sections of COM 102 online. One is section 318, the other is section 319. Be aware of your particular section. Usually I shoot one video for both sections. So if you see a section that is not yours, do not be alarmed. This is a common practice. So you can go through the activity here, make a copy and rename it. Make sure you put it in the Google syllabus and Google Drive folder. We have already a student who's completed this activity. So just to give you a quick overview of what it should look like after you annotate and comment on this. Here we go. There is a comment and a response on my part. I generally might comment. I might not get to all of them during the first week, but here's the activity. Here's the course folder. So once again, locate the course folder, look at the Google Drive video tutorial, and go from there. Let's get to the modules. Here we go to the modules. So you have that activity. The exact instructions will be here. Once again, make sure that you upload a GDoc link to your renamed document in the folder so I can view it and look for my grade and comments. All right, so let's get back up to the announcement. Let's get back into here we go. So that's due by Friday end of day. I'm sure everyone would love the opportunity to work with this, and make sure you add Drive to your particular Google Drive account. Like I say in the tutorial, you can use yours, your personal one. You can begin a Moraine Valley one. That's entirely up to you. All right, so I'm about running on my time here. I like to keep my weekly screencast videos underneath 5 minutes. If you have any questions, please send me an email. I'd say look for about Thursday morning for the lecture video about the syllabus. you might want to view that before commenting. All right. Like I said, any questions, send me an email. Be safe out there.